everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rachel. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you like these types of videos. Today I wanted to share with you guys what's my favorites video, I guess. Right now, these are the things that I'm really liking. I only have a few. I'm just kind of pretty simple, but these are a couple of things that I did get recently, some of these, and I really am enjoying them, and so I just wanted to share them with you guys. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to share with you guys, I am actually wearing, and it is these bottoms. So there was a sale going on at Family Dollar, and it was for only $5, and I really thought that was a good deal because these are pretty comfy. So that is my first thing that I wanted to mention. And the next thing I wanted to mention is something that I did get recently, and actually it was an early Christmas present that my husband got me, and I did pick it out though, but he did get for me, and that's this Guess purse. And this is actually more of like a mini backpack. And it just has this little, well, first of all, it just has these side zippers that are really for nothing. There's nothing in there. I guess if the bag needed to expand a little bit, you have a little bit of leverage there. So you have that, but it's got this little loop in the back, and then just these nice straps. But it has this little clip here that you just undo, and it's pretty roomy inside, so I like it a lot. I think it's really pretty, and I just really like the gold, rose gold accents on the purse, and it's really, you know, it's easy to clean because it is wipeable, and it's really nice. And this was only $35. If you go right now, I think to G by Guess, their website, this is only pulling up for $35, and this is not a tan color. This is more like, I think it said that it was a blush color. I'll put the link down below. Hopefully their sale is still on. Okay, so another item that I really have been liking is the Micellar cleansing water, and this is a makeup remover, and it's for sensitive skin. It has no oil, alcohol, or fragrance in it, and I know a lot of people have been using this, but I'm almost halfway through, and I really enjoy using this. This is a great toner as well for my skin. I really do enjoy using this. I feel like it does a good job. Now, my eye makeup's always tricky because I do have like waterproof eyeliner. It doesn't really take off mascara that well either. To me, in my opinion, some people may love this for that, but I love this more for toning my skin. I didn't really get this as a makeup remover. I got this as a facial toner because I had read a bunch of reviews on it, and that it's good for like to balance your pH in your skin, remove redness and things like that. So that's the reason why I got this, not as a makeup remover. So for my eyes, I like to use like a coconut oil to remove any mascara and stuff, but this does a great job to me on everything else, so I continue using this. Okay, so the next thing on my favorites list right now that I'm really loving is dun, 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 the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So yes, this is my definite go-to palette. Now, I got this palette because I didn't want to have to go and use 1,000 different little eyeshadow palettes, and I just wanted to be able to go to just one palette, and this one does a great job because it's got like all the colors that I need in this palette. And right now I am wearing this, but I'm really loving like the neutrals and like the cranberry colors as well. So that's what I've been really using in this palette. But yes, definitely worth the purchase, definitely worth the money. Gosh, I can't even remember. I got this on the Morphe website, and I want to say it was like under $40, which is a really good deal. So definitely this is an all-time favorite. Okay, and the last thing on my favorites list is this month is this journal, and this is something that I did purchase recently and started using for the month of December. I didn't realize I purchased the one that's July to July. So, but the plus side was I get to use it right now. So I am really loving this one. I picked this one for the print, and it has like a clear cover sleeve, but I really love this print and how it looks. I love like the pastel and the dark with the dark blue. It looks really nice. And then I do have a binder clip here to where I can just turn to my page really fast and find where I need to be when I need to make notes and things. And I don't really use this too much, the month section, which looks like this. And also on this page, the making it happen section. And then it does have your monthly calendar page, which that's where I plug my appointments and things into for the month. And then this is why I purchased this planner, because it has the weekly all-in-one view on 2 pages, but it has it column. It's in a column versus horizontally. So I have really been enjoying this planner a lot. So and this planner was only like $10 and I ordered it on Amazon. That is it for my favorites video. These are the items that I am enjoying currently, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos that I post in the future, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.